Hey there! In this video, I'm going to show you how to use generative AI to analyze your text data through thematic analysis. It's all about spotting patterns, analyzing them, and then reporting the juicy themes in your data. Normally, we'd be stuck using qualitative research tools like NVivo and manually coding our data. Yawn. But with generative AI, we can automate the coding process and actually have some fun with it. First things first, head over to the GPT store and hunt down my custom GPT called Qualitative Research Guru. Yep, I created this little genius to identify the main topics in your text data, export them into a codebook you can later import into NVivo, and, drumroll please, automatically code those text segments into the identified topics. Magic, right? Now, upload your text files and specify the main topic you want to analyze. The GPT will then do its thing, summarizing your articles and highlighting the main themes for you. It's like having a super smart friend who loves reading and organizing. Once the codebook is ready, it's time to code the text into those snazzy identified themes. Next up, we'll jump over to NVivo to import these data files and create cases. Trust me, it's easier than assembling IKEA furniture. Don't forget to create a memo summarizing these data files for later analysis. Future, you will thank you. Now, I'll copy the coding table into Excel. Here's where Power Query comes in handy to reshape this data table into the right format for NVivo. Think of it as giving your data a nice makeover. The new table will have all the topics as columns, with the text segments neatly organized into their respective topic columns. Fancy, huh? With the codes imported, we can dive into some analyses. Let's play around with the matrix coding query to see how the references between cases and topics stack up. You can even reorganize the codebook to create a hierarchy. No need to do it manually. Just import the codebook and its hierarchy directly from the GPT output into NVivo. We'll create a codebook file with the extension .qdc, copy the XML output from the GPT, and then import it into NVivo. Boom! Instant hierarchy of nodes. And that's it. With generative AI and these steps, you can make your thematic analysis way more efficient and a whole lot more enjoyable. Happy analyzing!